Alright, so guys, we're gonna start off the drop test. We're gonna start from knee height, and we're gonna do it like vice versa. So we're gonna do some drop from the back and then some drop from the front. So we're gonna start off with the back glass first. But up. Why? So we're gonna start with the back of the device first. Let's see how strong the ceramic shield and the back glass is from knee height. 1, 2, 3, go. So far, not bad. Yeah, minimal. As I said, it's aluminum, so you're gonna definitely see some scuff. Like from really early, you see scuffs on the unibody aluminum. It's not bad. It's not like crazy. Now we're gonna start from the knee height, from the front on the ceramic shield 2, right? If I'm not mistaken. From the front, let's check the front glass. 1, 2, 3. Let's check it out. As you guys can see, so far display is still uppity, but as I said before, it's an aluminum. So if you're thinking about getting a case for your iPhone 17 Pro, any one of the Pro, I would definitely recommend a case if you're not a case person, because obviously you can see the aluminum is super easy to dent. As you can see, look at the camera plateau already. There's already a scuff and a dent inside of it. So I'm not saying it's a bad thing, it's just common sense. Aluminum is a softer material, so I would definitely recommend that case. I'm not a case person, so I don't really care. I like to see a little bit of beat up on my phone anyways. But let's go ahead, let's try waist height on the back glass of the ceramic shield. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was a hefty drop. Still no breakage, still nothing broken. That's not bad. That's not bad, and I'm genuinely dropping it, like genuinely. All right, let's try the front ceramic shield from waist height. 1, 2, 3. I have to try that again, even though that wasn't bad. But the aluminum is taking a beating though, guys. The aluminum is taking a beating. Let's try one more time, see if we can get a proper drop. 1, 2, 3. Woo! So we got our first broken glass so far, and it took actually 2 drops. To be fair with the ceramic shield, the first drop it wasn't broken, and I did it a second time. Who realistically gonna just drop their phones 2-3 times for fun? So far honestly, and this is not riding on Apple's horse, it is a very good display. It is a very good display and very good glass Apple put on this, which is a ceramic shield 2. So I give Apple credit for that, because it took 2 drops for it to actually shatter for the first. So let's try the back glass one more time. The back glass seems like the strongest so far. One more time and see if we can get it to shatter from, let me see, waist height. Still no shatter. Still very good. But as I said, as you can see, the aluminum is just, this phone getting more and more ugly with all the scuff from the aluminum. Mind you, as I said, with the titanium and the stainless steel, you will never get any situation like this. So keep that in mind. If you buy this phone, you're probably going to want to have a case if you don't like the scuffs and stuff. So let's go for the ultimate drop now from the, because I want to do this drop realistic. You know, we're human beings. Nobody not going to drop their phone off a 5-10 story building and doing some crazy stuff. Nobody gonna throw their phone up, even though I might do that in the last part just for the fun. But let's say realistically, you're coming down a flight of stairs and your phone happened to fill out your hand, fill up in the hair a little bit, and it's falling from your head height. So let's try from your head area. Let's see how well the ceramic shield 2 hold up on the back. 1, 2, 3. Wow, guys, look at this. And I think a big part of this as well too, guys, is the unibody aluminum is protecting that little glass cutout. In my opinion, I feel as if like if it was just all back glass, the glass would probably be shattered already. If it was like, comment down below, do you think if the actual back glass was like the entire area of the phone, would it have maybe shattered? Because what I'm noticing, even though the aluminum is soft, it's a unibody device, and it is definitely protecting that little glass cutout. So let's try it one more time. Well, matter of fact, let's try it with the front again. The front ceramic shield, let's see how well it hold up from head height. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Jesus, it's not bad. It's still holding up. Still don't see no physical. Yeah, still a little bit of, okay, yeah. The front one, yeah, definitely the front one take a beating. But as you can see, guys, it take a couple drops first before the ceramic shield on the front to be shattered. So that is not bad for a smartphone. And as I said, you as a normal average consumer, you're not going out there every single day and drop a phone for fun just to see if it's gonna break. So we're gonna try head height one more time on the ceramic shield on the back, which is definitely objectively the strongest ceramic shield Apple put on the phone so far. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Yo. Still nothing, guys. Let's try it for a third time. Let's have some fun. Put it up a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hey guys, you're definitely gonna love the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. You're gonna mostly love the back of this phone simply because it's more indestructible. Is that the word? It's less indestructible than the front glass, which is very good. At least you know you're kind of getting your money's worth. If your phone fall a couple of times, you don't have to even worry about it falling if you choose not to wear a case with it. On the back specifically, the front, it's very strong, but glass is still glass, and it's not protected also by that unibody design. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons why the back glass is actually doing really well. Let's try one more time. We're just gonna have some fun after. Just throw it up in the air and see how well it works, okay? Or well it does. So one more time. 1, 2, 3. All the way past me. I'm 5'5", so this is like what, 5'9", 5'10", or 6, who knows. 1, 2, 3. And guys, look at that. Some nice water action as well. This must look really nice in the camera on 4K. Woo! Blue is a beautiful color, by the way. I actually like the blue. You know, but cosmic orange all day. Alright guys, so there you have it. Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Does the ceramic shield hold up very well? And my answer to that is 100% yes, with a small caveat. The front glass is not as strong as the back glass because on the front display it's just pure glass. So there's nothing at all to protect it. However, and me doing this for the first time, this is my first ever drop test, I'm actually impressed with the back glass, because usually if you do drop tests in the past, the back glass and the front glass would be shattered at some point of the video. The back glass hold up pretty super well, and I'm very happy about that. As I said, if you don't really too care about the beauty of your aluminum, you don't have to ever worry about your back glass. But let's just do one more fun drop test and see how well it hold up. And one more drop again, and that's it.